Hi everybody, thanks for stopping back at the Cranberry Cornstalk YouTube channel, the channel where we share our love for primitive decor. I know it's been a long time since I've posted a video. I want to stand here and tell you why, but it just sounds like excuses. The truth is, once you stop doing the videos and being committed to making one every week, it's easy to stop. And with, wholesaling now, things have been really taking off. It's just been harder and harder, and I just made myself a commitment. I've had so many of you messaging me, which is so sweet. Thank you very much, about missing my videos. So with that note, if I put another video on, please make sure you like, share, and subscribe our video. The more you comment or repost or do any kind of activity on our YouTube channel, the more that the YouTube will like it and they'll share us more, and we'll get more views, and it makes it worth it to me that way. But thank you again for reaching out to me. I missed you guys. I missed talking to you and getting your feedback on the different things that we're sharing. But like I said, I did start wholesaling. I went to some wholesale markets and presented my things there, and I'm in over 50 stores. Yay! So we're in over 50 stores now, the Cranberry Cornstalk Company. Make sure you check us out. We have quite a few stores out in Ohio, some in Pennsylvania, Iowa, Missouri, Rhode Island. I don't remember all the places. So we're not so big that you'll be in competition with a gift shop beside you, but we're big enough that it's a lot of fun for me and a lot of work for me. But so that's where we're at the Cranberry Cornstalk Company, still making our primitive melts, still doing our candles. Our candles have taken off like crazy. Our soaps have taken off like crazy. If you haven't tried our soaps yet, please just place an order on Etsy. If you're a wholesale dealer, go to our FAIRE website, place an order on the Cranberry Cornstalk Company on the FAIRE website. Try out our soaps. You will not regret it. You try one bar of soap, you'll be back for more. It has wonderful essentials like palm oil and coconut oil, avocado, mango butter, all these wonderful things that your skin absolutely loves. I haven't had to use any lotion since I started using these soaps. So that's what we've been doing here. Again, I apologize. I'm so sorry for not getting more content out to you on a regular basis, but we're back today, and I'm just going to share with you the setup that I had at the last market in Ohio, and I'm not sure how much footage I have of crafting and creating, because honestly, guys, I showed you before we got that new studio set up, the workshop, I should say, and it's just been so nice. I've been cranking out the productivity like it's going out of style, filling orders and getting them out the door immediately. So far, I've hit a 48-hour timeline for the most part, by creating and making orders and getting the wholesale orders out to the customers. And of course, Etsy's a daily thing. We keep up with our Etsy that way. And if you don't do either of those platforms, make sure you check us out on www, our regular website, the Cranberry Cornstalk Company. If you're a wholesale dealer and you want to go through that site, that's fine. We don't mind at all. Just go through that site and we will send you a line item list so that you'll have the correct prices for the wholesale deals and how much you have to minimum order. All right, I think it's everything, guys. I'm glad to be back, and I hope you support our video by watching it over and over again. Like, share, subscribe, the whole 9 yards. Again, thanks, and let's get started. Okay, guys, so we got a bee in our bonnet this year and saw this advertisement for the Early American Furnishings and Primitive Decor show for vendors in a state that is close to us. So we decided that we would try it out and get some information at least on it and see what all it entailed. Well, we decided to go, and the dates were only a few weeks away. Now, this show was a cash and carry vendor show or order writing show. Now, if you're a store, you would go to one of these shows and you would either pay cash and carry the items with you with a minimum order, or a purchase order minimum, and take the items with you or write an order for it to be delivered. So being that it was a cash and carry show, we really had to scramble, and we had to figure out how to get all of the items there, the cabinets, all of these things you see here in this picture, some kind of advertisement for our brand since we're newer, and a way to get the shelving there. All of these things had to be put into motion, and it was interesting, but we didn't give up, and we were committed to it. So I just took my car and I had to condense everything down, everything inside of everything packed down. I wanted to show you how small my car is. We ended up getting our whole display in here, including our checkout area and all these types of things for the local stores, the vendors that would come in to send buyers in to buy from us as a brand, and hopefully place some orders for future. This was my first one, so I wasn't even sure what to expect on this side of things. I went in as a retailer to purchase, but I've never been there as a wholesaler to sell. So it was quite interesting, fun. We got the car packed. We took the very bare minimum. Let me tell you, my duffel bag for the weekend was quite small. I took my daughter with me and made her help me. She's meticulously setting up all of the items. Where she's being silly here in this picture. She's goofball. But we were setting everything up so we could show the kind of products that we have and the quality. They could pick them up, smell them, you know, and see if it was something they were interested in. These are some of the displays that we had, some of the bigger 32-ounce candle samples that we had with us, and also that they could take and purchase and go as, you know, a larger order. So we had a blast. It was fun. I met a lot of wonderful people with stores out there, and I got to display my product and show them what all we had to offer, other than, you know, just a catalog for them to leaf through, to purchase, to put them on their sales for you to come and buy. And this was a way to show them our scents, our linen sprays, again, our big candles, just to show them what they look like in hand. And let me tell you, we were fully stocked in the melts and those kinds of things so that they could sample the scents. Walnut bread was very, very popular. It seemed to be the favorite of everybody. And of course, like I said, our branding, we have to make sure the Cranberry Cornstalk Company brand was out for everybody to see. Here it is on full display, ready for them to come. And it was great. Here is the first day. All of the vendors, all of the retailers had come and stood in line. There's a ribbon there, and they were all in line to come and see our product. It was fun. They really wanted to see us, and you can see I sold out. I sold completely out of the melts. They purchased every melt I had, every soap I had. I've sold the 32-ounce candles that you see here, the smaller candles, the 8 ounces. So you should be seeing them hopefully in your local store. You'll see our product there. This is our new product for the year. We just started a seed packet line. This is our first one we released, which are Beets Black and Beeswax seed packet. Now, some of my customers had gone to the local stores and found my items in there, sent me all these beautiful pictures. So it was pretty nice to see them in the stores out there that were on display for sale. You can see our candles here and our soaps. They look really cute on the shelves. I'm so excited. It was nice to see them actually on the other end once the buyers purchased and put them in their stores on display. So if you go to your local store, make sure you say, hey, do you have any of the Cranberry Cornstalk product? And I will be so happy and forever grateful. So that is what we did out there, and that's what we've been busy doing here at the Cranberry Cornstalk Company. I hope you like our product. Make sure you hit like, share, subscribe for our videos. I will try to release a more of a production video the next time, but I just wanted to catch up with you and show you what we've been busy at over here, and I hope you have a wonderful week. I'll try to get a video out for you again next week. Thanks, guys, for stopping back at the Cranberry Cornstalk YouTube channel.